outcomes, that is POs, for this practical basic knowledge. Apply the knowledge of mathematics and engineering as it is applies to the field of computer softwares and hardware. Then the discipline knowledge, to apply the knowledge of computer engineering field to solve core and applied engineering problems. The experiments and the practice, able to plan and develop and perform the experiments and practices with its result to solve the computer engineering problems. The engineering tools, formulates and solve the problem related to the computer engineering field using the appropriate techniques. The competency and the practical skills required to implement this practical is write a VB.NET program to use the select case statement. For that purpose, we know the syntax for the select case statement and how to use the select case statement in a VB.NET. Then compile, debug, and solve and save the VB.NET program. Then the relevant course outcome, to develop the GUI application, form controls and its event. And the practical outcomes for this practical is develop the program to demonstrate the use of case control structure in VB.NET. Now we will learn, or we will see the program to write program to perform an arithmetic operations using the select case statement in VB.NET practically. Now we will see the screen of VB.NET. For that purpose, we open the Visual Studio. Visual Studio 2008. This get open. Okay, now in the file, we select the file project. After selecting the project, we choose the option that is console application and give the name here. That is our practical is fourth practical. Now in this, the module 1 and the subject main. In this main function, we have to write the code for the select case statement. Now we perform the program to perform the arithmetic basic operation using the select case statement. That's why we use here. For that purpose, we require the two variables to declare. How we declare? We declare the variable b num1, suppose num2, and sum is integer. Okay. Then def as character, and in the num1 we store the value, that is num1 is equal to suppose 10 and the num2 is equal to suppose 5. Okay, we already stored the values. Now we have to perform the all operation, that is addition, subtraction. Hence we write one message here, console dot write line want to perform any operation. Want to perform any operation. So then first operation is first, it is nothing but the A for addition. User plays the A for doing the addition. operation. And same for subtraction, multiplication, division. Yes, for subtraction. Then M for multiplication. And D for the division. Okay, these four. Then we have to write the message for the user, that is console.writeLine. Please enter any input. Okay. After that, we have to accept that input, that is nothing but the character input. Means we declare the character variable def, and in that variable we store the value console.readline. Okay. After that, we use the select case depend on def variable. Suppose the case 2, then we perform the addition, that is sum is equal to num1 plus num2, and we have to print that addition, that is console.writeLine. Console.writeLine, addition of number is that addition is stored in a sum variable, since we use here this sum. Okay. Same for the case second, that is yes case for the subtraction. For the case yes, letter capital S, num1 minus num2, result will be stored in sum, in the subtraction. That is, instead of addition, subtraction. Subtraction. Okay, same for the multiplication purpose. Use the case M for the multiplication, that is capital letter M. Number 1 into number 2. Okay, the multiplication of number stored in a sum variable again. Same for the division, we have to perform division. We use the capital letter D, num1 divided by num2. Then the division is stored in some variable, that is quotient of the division operation. Okay. Now the last case is a case else case. Case else. That is a default case. Okay. In that case, we have to simply write the one message, that is console.writeLine. Suppose the user gives the wrong input. Okay, we only provide the one message, that is please enter only the define operation. Only define operation with capital letters. With capital letters. Okay, this is our select case statement program. Now we run this program. See the output. Want to perform any operation? Suppose I want to perform addition. Our number is 10 and 5. Okay, there is one remaining here. After the select case, end of the select, we have to write console.read key here. Okay, that is missing. Console dot read key to hold the output. Now we run this program. We see that want to perform the any operation. Suppose I give the capital A, the addition of the number is 15. Okay, suppose again we run this program and then see, suppose I am giving the M as input, then multiplication is 15, means 10 into 50. Suppose I again give the input as wrong, that is E. Please enter only the defined entry. Okay, this is the select case program. If you are getting it, then these are the practical questions related to on this practical number 4. Write the use of select case statement, draw the flowchart for nested select case statement, then implement the program using the select case statement to count the number of walls in the A to Z